Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Tank Studio. Today our topic is the same table.remove matching rows, and today we will have the part 2 of this dynamic and excellent function. In the previous part, that was part 1, we studied to match and delete rows which have single column tables. Like there were two single column tables, email 1, and we would like to delete the highlighted ones which were in email 2. Now we have multi-columns. In num1, there is a column 1 which has numbers generated through a sequence, and in column 2, it has product A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What we would like to achieve, we would like to delete values of num2 from num1. So let's jump to Power Query editor. Here you go. Multi-column num1 has 3 columns. I added index once. And num2 3 columns. How we will achieve what we want to achieve is by, my apologies, new query, blank query. Let's rename it tb underscore num underscore remove matching rows multi, so that we can well, remove matching rows, table dot remove matching rows, table name, it's num1 tb underscore num1 multi-column. Okay, now as per the syntax, table dot to records, from where we want to delete the data, it's num2. Find the data which is in num2 and delete it, num2 column. Now multi-column, the important part is the column 1. This will tell, it is the criteria which will tell the statement from which column I would like to do the match. It's related to the VLOOKUP thing, but it is used for different other purposes. Just see the magic. What we are left behind is just a series of odd numbers, because in num2 we have even numbers B, D, G, I. So what we did, we deleted it. Okay, this is the data and what the match was all about on column 1. Let's change it to column 2, or the column 2 is product. Result will be the same because products are the match exactly that is based on the column 1. Now if we do it on index, you will see a different result. Why? Because index had 1, 2, 3, 4, so it deleted 4 from the top. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it did not care what the column and or the other columns are all about. It matched on the index column, and result is different. So let's close and load. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Your comments are very important, which let us know how our videos are performing in between you. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.